How to send pictures in Vanish mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. You can search for or type in the name of the people who you want to send the message to from here. You can select more than one person if you want. After selecting, go to the text bar at the bottom. Then, tap on the plus icon beside the text bar. Here, select Photos. You can choose photos from your camera roll over here to attach it to your message. Select the photo you want and then tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully attached the photo to your message. After that, tap and hold the Send button below to send with effect. Select any effect from here. For example, Invisible Ink. You can now send this photo with Invisible Ink effect. Following these steps, you can easily send pictures in Vanish mode on iPhone.